What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video, and in today's video is a DIY on how I made my daughter's flower boxes using Dollar Tree products. I had posted this picture online and you guys wanted to see how I made this box using Dollar Tree products. So here is the video, so if you want to see, stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. So let's get started. The items that you will need is this diamond wrap from the dollar store, some flowers, a glue gun, scissors, these two gift boxes I got from the dollar store, and this green foam. Alright, so we're gonna get started and we're gonna go on and use these two boxes in the green foam. So I'm going to take two of the foams and put them to the side. I'm opening the boxes and we're going to put the green foam inside so we can stick the flowers in. And as you see, it is a perfect fit. Super easy. Just got to clean up the little mess. So next I'm going to grab my flowers and put my box to the side and take some scissors and start cutting. I suggest using some wire cutters for this because I was struggling trying to cut them with the scissors, but as you see, it did get the job done. You just gotta put in a little bit more work. So I'm just going to continue cutting these flowers. Now that we got the flowers all cut, I'm going to gather them and put them to the side, and we're going to be using them for later. Now I'm going to get my boxes and just kind of play around on to see how I want to glue it on there. And then I'm going to grab my glue gun and start hot gluing the boxes together. Super easy. Just get that glue all around them edges, and yes. And you want to be generous with the glue, okay? Don't be stingy. Hot glue's cheap. Make sure we get all the edges nice and glued so we can stick the other box on top. Just like so. Then I kind of played around with it a little bit because as you can see on some of the sides, it wasn't all the way flat. My issue was that the glue kind of dried really fast, so I suggest probably hot gluing one down one side and sticking it and then gluing down the rest. But my glue dried fast, but it's going to be covered, so I wasn't really too stressed about that. I'm sorry it's out the frame, you guys. I'm new to the DIY game, so we'll film in it anyway. But yes, and this is the box. And now I'm going to take my little gem wraps that I got from the dollar store, and we're gonna put that on. So I'm over here just kind of deciding where I really wanted to place them because I wasn't sure yet. But now that I figured it out, I'm going to start placing the gems and just making the box look real pretty and decorative for my baby girl. And as you can see, it was a great idea to put it where I glued the two boxes together because it actually covers up any imperfections that are right there. Yes, so I'm just going to continue to put the gem stickers on. As you see, look at that. Looks really, really cute. Now that she's all wrapped, we can begin putting the flowers in. So, I'm gonna grab my flowers. And just start sticking them in. No particular order, just making sure that it looks nice and full. And I do apologize that I am out of the frame again, you guys. I promise I will get better at this. But yeah, just arrange the flowers to your liking, as you see. Got them in there, and I'm just kind of playing around with it. Just making sure that the leaves look the way I want them, and the petals. Making sure it's nice and pretty, and that you can't see anything. But yeah, this is the finished product for my daughter's room. I think it's super, super cute and lovely. And super easy and cheap to make. And I loved it so much that I decided to make some more for my bathroom upstairs. And look, they came out so beautiful. Just love it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And until next time, stay fly and shine, you guys. Bye.